Hey guys, welcome to my channel Bong Driver with a brand new vlog, and in today's vlog we are gonna discuss about how we can sanitize our car, especially from coronavirus, for the first time on YouTube. What? You already watched tons of video on this topic? Wait a second. There is a twist as always. So for the first time we are gonna learn the whole procedure scientifically from an expert microbiologist. So guys, please welcome my wife Gargi Mitra.
Hello.
She is a microbiologist and currently working as a multinational pharmaceutical company as a chemist and microbiologist. So let's start the video on my count. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Welcome friends to my channel Bong Driver. So imagine a situation when we carry a corona patient in our car to hospital with proper protection as usual. So after that we have to sanitize our car. So what can we do? We don't have professional equipment like fogger, like fume. Okay, so we have only alcohol sprayer, alcohol, etc. So what we can do, even it's possible at our home we can sanitize our car in this scenario. So this is the first question for you.
Well, this pandemic situation, you might have to carry a corona positive patient to the hospital in any kind of emergency situation, and obviously you can sanitize your car by using your home equipments like sprayer, but first of all you have to protect yourself with a N95 mask, face shield if you have face shield, and a gloves, pair of gloves. Okay. So what you have to do first of all,
once again, so we have to enter our car with full protection, like we have to wear the mask, we have to wear the face shield and PPE kit. Then we have to sanitize our car.
Well, it is not possible to have a PPE kit at your home all the time, as you are not a professional medical staff, you know.
That's right.
But you can have a face shield, you can have a N95 mask and alcohol sprayer. This is, nowadays it's very easily available at your home, and that's it for you to clean a car. But when you are carrying a corona positive patient to the hospital, you have to be more cautious about your personal safety.
Absolutely.
Just turn off your AC, open window. This is all for coronavirus, and this is not an Ebola virus. This is a coronavirus. It is highly infectious through your nose and mouth and eyes. So you have to protect those three parts first of all. For that reason, you have to sanitize your hand very frequently. You know, it's not possible to wash your hand with water in any place. So use alcohol drops, you know, hand sanitizer, instant hand sanitizer. You can use that. And after all these things, after returning to home, you have to sanitize your car. First of all, close all the windows. Spray the alcohol sprayer into your car like a fogger, like spray all over the car. Just close it. Just close the doors, close the windows, and leave it for half an hour. After that, you open the doors with the mask, with the gloves, and wipe out your seats, your steerings, your gear, your all the big box and all the roofs, all the glass windows and front glasses, all those internal part first, because firstly your corona patient sat on your back side of your seat, so this, you have to think how a corona virus can enter into your body. from one person to another.
Okay.
That is by contact. Okay. So that corner person have touched your seats,
Okay.
may have touched your door locks. So you have to clean that parts at your utmost priority.
Okay.
You use a Dettol wipes,
Okay.
or if you don't have, just spray on it and clean it with, leave it for 15 minutes and clean with a duster or any kind of clothes. Okay. Or if you don't have a sanitizer like this, you can use a Colin. It's also have alcohol percentage,
Oh.
but it's very low amount.
Okay.
It's not maybe 70%, but you have alcohol on it, in it, and you can clean that part.
Does that destroy the coronavirus?
It can destroy, but it's not like 70% alcohol. You have to wait, but means you cannot enter, or you cannot just spray a Colin and enter into the back. It's germ free, not like that.
Okay.
But you can, to some extent, you can germ free it. But best you use the alcohol sprayer like Savlon sprayer, Lifebuoy sprayer, any kind of, any brand sprayer, and then you can enter into your car, and especially clean the handles, clean the seats, clean your steering, your dashboard, where you can you are touching those places very frequently.
Yeah.
You can you have to clean that parts in a
Utmost priority.
utmost priority.
Okay. So we understand that part very well. So now my second question is like day-to-day situation, when we just we may go our home to office and come back again our home. In that kind of situation, what should we do? What should I do to clean, to sanitize my car day-to-day situation?
Well, if you are using your car regularly for
Yeah.
going office or any places regularly, then I think you need to clean your car every day,
Yeah.
because it is a high chance to have an infection. You can carry a coronavirus or any kind of infectious viruses through your car, as you are traveling various places every day by using your same car.
Okay.
So in a regular basis, you what you can do by losing your very minimum energy, you can first of all you clean your steering, you clean your gear lever,
Okay.
you clean your deck boxes and
Okay.
seats.
Those where I touch regularly, that
Yeah,
places.
you frequently, those places you are touching frequently,
Yeah.
these need to be cleaned very utmost priority.
Okay.
And
So we don't have to clean the whole car all the time.
no, you don't have to listen. You first of all, you have to think, what are you doing with your car?
Okay.
You are entering car by holding your lock. That means the lock you need to wipe
Don't
out.
knock.
Yeah, don't knock. Just outside of your car door, the door knob. You are touching that door knob very frequently as you are entering or exit.
Yeah.
So you are using that door knob. So you have to clean it first.
Okay.
Then you are entering inside the car. You are holding the steering by, and after that you are closing the door by using internal door knob. So you have to clean that part.
Yeah.
Then you are holding the steering. You have to clean the steering.
Yeah.
You are holding the gear lever. Then you have to clean it. Okay. Then you are using your what called the stereo system,
Yeah.
and the indicators you are using, maybe
Yeah,
wiper you are
indicator
using.
knob, okay,
Indicator knob. I'm not good about car,
Yeah.
obviously.
Okay, it's okay.
So
No problem.
take boxes and
Okay. I understand.
seat handle.
Yeah. Those parts, what I regularly touch after entering the car, I have to clean that frequently,
Yeah.
day to
Everyday basis.
day.
Yeah.
So we understand that part too. So my next question is like when we're traveling in a car in a crowded place like marketplace, like a city traffic where everywhere is other persons like bikers, like other cars, other peoples all over our car. So do we need to open our window and travel in this pandemic situation, or we have to close our window, turn on AC, blower, and we have to travel? What is the safest, open window or closed window?
Actually, the safest way to travel in a car is open window
Yeah.
by using your N95 mask.
Okay.
Without N95 mask and closed window with AC, there may be a chance of contamination through
Okay.
your AC.
Okay.
But if you are traveling through a crowded area, it is better to use N95 mask by opening your windows and
Okay.
in open air.
Yeah.
But if you have to carry a child
Yeah.
or a kid that cannot use mask,
Okay.
below 2.5 years,
Yeah.
you cannot use mask on them. So in that situation, you have to close the windows and
Turn on the
AC to protect them from the outer contamination.
So thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you for your valuable time.
Yeah.
Hope you guys really enjoy this part, enjoy this video, and if you really enjoy this video, then don't forget to give a like in this video, and also please guys subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow my social medias. All the links are given in this description. And guys, one more thing, please stay safe in this pandemic situation. Use all the COVID norms, follow all the rules and regulations. So that's it for today.
Take your jabs.
Yeah,
your turn.
this is very vital. You have to vaccinate it. Okay, don't be panic. Vaccination is absolutely safe. Our family, everyone in our family is already vaccinated twice. So please do get your vaccine and stay safe. This is all for today. We are gonna meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.